Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today's video I'm gonna show you this. This is the Coolest Dynamo Lantern. And before we dive into this video, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Here we have the Coolest Dynamo Lantern. Let's open it and see what it looks like. First of all, we have a manual, which is nice. And here it is. And this is for tent use, and you can charge this in two ways. First, you have an USB-C port. You open it like this and you have it there, and you have this one to wind it up, and the button here is the on and off button. And this lantern has two settings, high and low. So let's turn this on. Yeah, that is the high setting. High setting. There we have the low setting. And the interesting thing with this lantern is it is IP54, 1.5 meter impact resistant, and that's really good actually. Lumens on this one, 18 on the lowest setting and 50 lumens on the high setting. And on the low setting it will light up an area of 3 meters, and on the high setting it will light up an area of 6 meters, and on the lowest setting it will run for 12 hours. And on the highest setting, 2 hours. And it also has a 3-year warranty, which is nice. I put that away for a moment. So we have turned this baby off. So in my opinion, for around $20, or a little bit over 200 crowns for in my currency, it's not bad price at all. And Coolest is a very well-known brand, so you can't go wrong with Coolest. They do also flashlights and batteries, and they manufacture a lot of things that have with light and flashlights to do. So, and why did I bought this? Well, first of all, I bought this because me and the missus, we are going to for a very short camping trip. We go from Friday to Saturday, and I will be back at Saturday afternoon or lunchtime. So I will be back home for my live stream. But anyway, this is made for being in a tent, okay? This is a tent lantern. So It's a good one for that price. And as a prepper, well, if you can put your hands on a good lantern or a decent lantern for a good price, buy that. I went to the store today and bought this, and I noticed that they had only 3 left of these. So I picked up one to make sure that I have one. And you can use this also in a small room in your apartment or a house. So, Vata, in my opinion, is a good brand. So, and they are also reliable. That's all for today's video, guys, and I will see you in the next one. And if you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And remember, be part of the solution, not the problem. Strength and honor, and ShadowScoutSwede out.